Hi everyone. Welcome to Sharvij channel. Happy New Year to all. And also make others to be happy. Don't make any wrong decisions. It will cost to others' life as well. Not only yours, so please make sure to take wise decisions and be happy. Once again, Happy New Year 2024. May this year be filled with joy and happiness to everyone. To prepare Hyderabad special Kaddu ki Kheer, follow these steps. Ingredients: 1 cup grated bottleguard Kaddu, 1 cup milk, half cup sugar adjust according to taste. 1/4 cup rice, soaked for 30 minutes, chopped nuts, cashews, raisins. 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. A pinch of saffron, strands optional. Ghee for frying nuts. Cooking process: soak rice. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. Prepare bottleguard, peel and grate the bottleguard. In a pan, add grated bottleguard and cook on low heat until it becomes soft and releases its moisture. Prepare rice paste. Grind the soaked rice into a coarse paste using a little water. Add the rice paste to the cooked pumpkin and mix well. Cook for a few more minutes. Boil milk in a separate pot and chill. Combine with bottleguard mixture with milk. Add the rice mixture to the boiling milk. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Cook until thickened. Allow the mixture to simmer on low heat until it thickens, stirring occasionally. Add sugar and mix well and continue cooking until the sugar dissolves. Fry nuts. In a small pan, fry chopped nuts in ghee until golden brown. Add nuts and flavorings. Add the fried nuts, cardamom powder, and saffron strands if using, to the kheer. Mix well, let it simmer for a few more minutes until it reaches the desired consistency. Turn off the heat. Allow the Kaddu ki Kheer to cool slightly before serving. You can serve it warm or chilled, as per your preference. Enjoy your delicious Hyderabad special Kaddu ki Kheer. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Sharvij channel. Thanks for watching.